Simplify. Assume all variables represent non-negative real numbers. Here we have the square root of 32x squared y to the third. Now, in order to simplify this radical, we want to pull as much out from underneath that square root as we possibly can. So we're going to look for perfect square factors that we can take the square root of. 32 has a perfect square factor of 16. So we can write that 32 as 16 times 2. X squared itself is a perfect square factor. We can take the square root of it. Now, as far as this y to the third, let's think of that y to the third as y squared times y to the first in pieces, so that one part of that we can, in fact, take the square root of. So that y to the third becomes a y squared times y. Now we're ready to simplify this completely. The square root of 16 is 4, so that comes out. The square root of x squared is x. That's gone. And a square root of y squared is y. So that came out as well. Underneath the radical, we have left the 2y. So our simplified form is 4xy times the square root of 2y.